and I welcome you to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. Let's make an uttapam. This is not a very simple uttapam, it's very nutritious with oats. Now oats is a very nutritious ingredient, a breakfast specialty, but apart from having it for breakfast, you can use it in so many other things. Likely I'm going to be showing you how to make an uttapam with oats. Very simple recipe. Let's quickly run through the ingredients. For this I need about 1 cup of rolled oats, which are very easily available in the market. About 2 cups of dosa batter. Now dosa batter is also available in packs of 1 kg and 1.5 kg in most of the grocery stores. And apart from that, you'll also find dosa batter in powdered form. You just have to mix water and your dosa batter is ready. So why really take the effort of making a dosa batter? You could just get instant dosa mix, or you could buy ready-made dosa batter from most of the grocery stores. 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander finely chopped. About 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, and mint chutney to serve the uttapam with. Okay, so to begin with, first of all, let's take the batter. This is ready-made dosa batter, to which I'll add some oats. Now these are dried oats, and after you added it to the batter, just mix this. Now oats are quite fibrous, they help you. Now what happens when you have oats? They're quite dry, but when you cook them, they go soft, and apart from that, it's quite filling. It's an essential ingredient for people who are on diet. Your dietitians will definitely advise you to have oats. So if you have oats as one of your meals, you're sure to lose weight. So after you add oats to this batter, the batter will go a little thick. So for this, we may have to add some more water to this, little by little. And apart from water, we also have to add some salt. After that, mix it once again. Another thing that is very important with oats is that it is a very crucial ingredient. Now oats is another ingredient which is advised for people who have very high cholesterol. So to lower cholesterol, oats is another super hit ingredient. Okay, now let's get back to this. You see this batter, it's quite thick, but it's just perfect to make the uttapams. This is done. We'll set this aside. Another thing that we have to make here is the mixture. We're making uttapam with oats, but we're going to be adding some topping to this. The topping is made with tomatoes, onions, coriander, green chilies, and salt. Okay, so after you've added this, mix this very well. So leave this aside. I have my dosa tawa, which is nice and hot, to which we'll add some oil, very little oil, and now we'll pour this batter. After you pour the batter, do not spread it, just lightly tap it so that it just spreads evenly like this. That's it. Now on top of this, we'll put the onion and tomato filling like this. Okay, now after this, some more oil on the sides, or what we'll do is we'll use a spoon so that it becomes easier for us to pour the oil. See this? Lovely. So after you have added the oil, just wait till the base of the uttapam goes slightly golden in color, which may take anywhere around half a minute, and after which we will have to flip this. Now once this is done, we will flip this and now we will cook this till the onions and the tomatoes go slightly golden in color, which may take another 1 minute. Okay, so once the bottom is done, just flip it back. This is perfect. I have made another one here, and this is also done. That's it. Serve this with mint chutney, hot uttapams made with oats just for you. Make this recipe just the way I have made it and you'll love it.